If your CMF Phone 2 Pro does not show incoming calls, let me show you what you can do in order to try to fix all these issues. So the first thing that you can do is check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated, because DND mode pretty much blocks information about incoming calls, notifications and such. So what you can do is simply you can go, for example, to the control center over here, and you should be able to find this button here. So if it's enabled, then it means that you are using DND mode, and you can tap again in order just to turn it off. And in addition to that, of course, you can go to the settings of your phone and check DND settings in order to find out if there is any schedule running or something. There are pretty much multiple ways to set up the DND mode, so you want to make sure that DND mode is not being activated by any of the features that we have on the phone. For example, you can go to the sound and vibration settings, and over here we have the Not Disturb mode, and then we can go to schedules. And as you can see over here, for example, I have for game dashboard, when I play games, then DND mode is activated. So you can, for example, turn it off if you don't want it. If there's any other schedule created and it is activating the DND mode, then you should be able to find it over here. Now, besides that, there's also one more thing that you can do. So if you still cannot see incoming calls, then we're gonna go to the apps settings. There we go. Now over here, let's press see all apps, and once you see the list, tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and we're gonna press show system. Now you should be able to see pretty much every app that you have installed on the phone, even those that are not visible in the app drawer. So over here, what you need to do is we're gonna search, so use this search icon over here. And first we're gonna type phone. You should be able to find multiple different apps. So we're gonna go through each of single one. So first I'm gonna go to the phone app, and I'm gonna force stop it. Then go to storage and cache, and we want to clear storage, and then press delete. If you cannot clear storage on any of these apps that I'm about to show you, then you want to clear cache. However, this is what we need to do with pretty much every phone app. We want to first stop it and clear the storage. And besides that, just in this case, in the case of the main phone app, we want to also check the permissions. You want to make sure that permissions are allowed, such as the contacts permission, the notifications permission, the phone permission, and so on and so forth. So pretty much this is how it should be. If something is not set up, it is in not allowed, then you want to select the permission and then grant the access. All right, but this is just in the case of this phone app. Next, we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage. So I'll just force stop storage and cache, and in this case we need to clear cache. And then we have phone calls, force stop storage and cache, and clear storage. There we go. Now phone service, force stop storage and cache, and clear storage. All right. After that, we can go back to the search, and this time I'm gonna write call just to check if there is any app. No, there is no app that is specifically for calling. So I think this is all we had to do. So we're gonna just now exit these settings, and what you also need to do after for stopping and clearing storage of these apps, you want to open the phone app. You want to open it at least once in order just to make sure that it is actually running in the background. And now you should be able to receive the information or notifications about incoming calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.